Stop! Do you want to speak English fluently every day? Do you want to learn how to describe your life from morning to night? Many students know difficult words, but they cannot talk about their own home.
Today, you will learn everything. In this video, we will practice listening and speaking very slowly.
This is perfect for beginners. You are watching English with Mr. E. By the end of this lesson, you will be a master of daily routine English. Are you ready to start? Let's begin right now.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. E. Welcome to our channel.
Hello, Mr. E. I am so excited for today's lesson.
Me too, Emma. Today we are focusing on daily routine.
That is very important. We will speak slowly so everyone can understand.
Yes, listen carefully and repeat every sentence after us.
Let's go to the first part of the day, the morning.
Emma, what is the first thing you do every day?
I wake up. Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Repeat. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Then I get up. Remember, get up means leaving the bed.
Practice. I get up at 6:15.
I get up at 6:15.
After I get up, I go to the bathroom.
I wash my face. Repeat. I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower. Repeat. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I dry myself with a towel.
Repeat. I dry myself with a towel.
Now I get dressed. Repeat. I get dressed.
I wear my favorite clothes.
Repeat. I wear my clothes.
Now I am hungry. It is time for breakfast.
I go to the kitchen. Repeat. I go to the kitchen.
I make a cup of coffee.
Repeat. I make a cup of coffee.
I drink my coffee slowly.
Repeat. I drink my coffee.
I eat bread and eggs for breakfast.
Practice. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
After I eat, I wash my cup.
Repeat. I wash my cup. Now it is time to go out.
I grab my bag. Repeat. I grab my bag.
I lock the door. Repeat. I lock the door.
How do you go to work, Mr. E?
I go by bus. Repeat. I catch the bus.
I catch the bus.
It takes 20 minutes.
Repeat. It takes 20 minutes.
If you have a car, you can say, I drive to work.
Repeat. I drive to work.
I arrive at my office at 9 a.m.
Repeat. I arrive at work.
Now the work starts.
I sit at my desk. Repeat. I sit at my desk.
I turn on my computer.
Repeat. I turn on my computer.
I check my emails.
Repeat. I check my emails.
I talk to my colleagues.
Repeat.
I talk to my colleagues.
I attend a meeting at 11 a.m.
Practice. I have a meeting.
At 1 p.m., I have lunch.
Repeat. I have lunch.
I have lunch with my friends.
I finish my work at 5 p.m.
Repeat. I finish my work at 5.
Now I am back home. The house needs cleaning.
Let's learn the names of chores.
I sweep the floor. Repeat. I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
I mop the floor. Repeat. I mop the floor.
I mop the floor.
I dust the table. Repeat. I dust the table.
I dust the table.
I do the laundry. Repeat. I do the laundry.
I do the laundry.
I iron my shirts. Repeat. I iron my shirts.
I iron my shirts.
Now it is time to cook dinner.
I am hungry again.
I cook rice and vegetables.
Repeat. I cook dinner.
I set the table. Repeat. I set the table.
I have dinner with my family.
Repeat. I have dinner at 8 p.m.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Practice. I wash the dishes.
I dry the dishes and put them away.
Repeat. I put the dishes away. The day is almost over. I want to relax.
I watch TV for 30 minutes.
Repeat. I watch TV.
I read a book in bed.
Repeat. I read a book.
I check my phone one last time.
I turn off the lights. Repeat. I turn off the lights.
I go to sleep at 11 p.m.
Repeat. I go to sleep.
Now, let's repeat the most important words from today.
I will say the word and you repeat it after me.
Wake up.
Wake up. Wake up.
Brush.
Brush. Brush.
Wash.
Wash. Wash.
Eat.
Eat. Eat.
Drive.
Drive. Drive.
Work.
Work. Work.
Clean.
Clean. Clean.
Sweep.
Sweep. Sweep.
Cook.
Cook. Cook.
Sleep.
Sleep. Sleep.
Now, let's try longer sentences. This is for advanced practice.
I will say it very slowly.
Every morning, I wake up at 6 and wash my face.
Every morning, I wake up at 6 and wash my face.
To viewers, your turn. Say it out loud.
I have breakfast at 8 a.m. and then I go to work by bus.
I have breakfast at 8 a.m. and then I go to work by bus.
To viewers, repeat the sentence.
In the evening, I clean my house and cook a delicious dinner.
In the evening, I clean my house and cook a delicious dinner.
To viewers, try to say the whole sentence.
Now, Mr. E, I will ask you some questions about your day.
Okay, Emma, I am ready.
Mr. E, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
I always drink a cup of hot tea.
How do you go to your office?
I drive my car every day.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1:30 p.m.
Do you like cleaning the house?
No, I don't, but I like a clean house.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at midnight.
Here are some extra phrases for you to use at home.
Repeat after us.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Where is the soap?
Where is the soap?
I am tired.
I am tired.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
The house is clean.
The house is clean.
Let's review.
We learned about morning, afternoon, and night.
We learned how to say wake up, eat breakfast, and go to work.
We learned how to describe cleaning and cooking.
You are doing a great job. Practice makes perfect.
Please watch this video many times.
Listen and repeat every day.
This is the best way to learn English at home.
You are watching English with Mr. E.
Emma, it was a great lesson today.
Yes, Mr. E. Our students are very hardworking.
To all our viewers, thank you for watching.
If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to our channel, English with Mr. E, for more easy English lessons.
Leave a comment below. What time do you wake up?
We want to know about your routine.
Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Let's repeat everything one last time.
I wake up.
I get up.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I have breakfast.
I go to work.
I have lunch.
I finish work.
I arrive home.
I cook dinner.
I have dinner.
I wash the dishes.
I watch TV.
I read a book.
I go to sleep.
Thank you for learning with English with Mr. E.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.